Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, Little Fingers. I hope you're all in the chill mode right now because I'm gonna show you the unboxing video for our unboxing series. Alright, today I'm going to share with you the unboxing of Corsair Carbide series SPEC-Delta RGB mid-tower ATX gaming case with tempered glass side panel. Well, when I bought this one, I only paid $64.99. However, when you buy this one today, you have to pay for $92.89. Alright, I know you are tired of a long unboxing video, so let me make it short and straightforward for you. I can only think of 8 reasons why you will love this computer casing or system casing. First off is that